A lot of times, a stewardess usually will bring in something that they can't open, right? So they expect us to use our muscles. First, most rudimentary way is puncture, lose the seal. The whole reason that you can't open these things is because of suction. Next is with the back of your knife. You gotta open it counterclockwise. So you go ahead, get off there, isn't it? Pins off. The easiest way is to go on a counter, breaks the seal, opens. I recommend the third way. I hope that helps. I hope you're not down to the canned and jarred food in your quarantine. Like, I hope there's not all you have left. You got access to fresh stuff. But if you have to open things, that's the way to do it. Thank you and good day.